Hi everybody, my name's Frank Iglesias. I'm a real estate investor and we love to buy, fix up and sell properties. Much like you see on the TV shows. We do it, except we do it for real. And we also love to help people with their real estate challenges. Just sometimes they gotta let go of a property, sell it, whatever, for whatever reason. And what we're looking for is for people to help us buy more property by helping us advertise. And that's where you come in. I got three very simple things you could do. You could do one, two, or all three to help make this happen, and you get compensated for any property that closes. First way, you've seen vehicles where there's signs on the vehicle, and we can print those signs and put them on your vehicle, all sorts of colors with a number dedicated to you. So we can do that. Somebody calls, we close it. You don't have to take the call, we take care of it, and you get taken care of. Second way, same exact concept. Instead of a vehicle, it's a sign that gets put in your yard. Maybe roughly 24 by 24, not big, not obtrusive, but big enough to get attention. So that's another thing. Last way is social media. With social media, we create the post. We tell you when to post it, how often. It's super, super easy, low maintenance. And again, if anyone asks you, hey, do you do real estate? No, you're just helping advertise. Okay, so you don't have to answer any questions or anything otherwise. Super duper easy. No matter which way you do it, if we close, you get compensated. So we'd love to work with you. Send us a direct message or give us a call. We'd love to talk to you. And hopefully we can do business. Thank you. Have a good day.